Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your games to your other accounts on your Nintendo Switch, and this will also be like the online service, so you can go ahead and play online and stuff. So to do this, we want to make sure our Nintendo Switch is registered. So we want to go to the Nintendo eShop right here, choose your account, let this page load. It's going to be orange back and forth multiple times, and then it will finally load. Then go on over to the upper right, go to your icon, choose that. Here's the account information. Just go up to your name where the email address is, go to the right, go on down, and then we want to go to where it says primary console. This console is registered as your primary console, so just go to register right here. It says on your primary console, you and other users have full access to download the software you have purchased from the Nintendo eShop. On consoles other than your primary console, only a user linked to your Nintendo account can access your purchased software. So if you link this, all other accounts on your Nintendo Switch can go ahead and play your games. So all these other ones like Rose and Jim, they can access my content and my games, and that should be shared with them now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.